Design.
bless us all. Be safe.
What? Not even.
Thank you, 2025. Paris, Las Vegas, Eiffel Tower Restaurant, Paris, Las Vegas, USA. So crowded here in Las Vegas, guys. A lot of people. It's gonna rain though. I enjoying the street after or some more like Happy New Year's Eve, everyone. Village and Water Fountain Show in Las Vegas. Happy New Year's Eve, everyone. Fun after work. Enjoying this trip, Las Vegas, Nevada after work. It's gonna rain, I think soon, but yeah, everybody's enjoying Las Vegas. Happy New Year's Eve. Wait for fireworks. Look at all the strip, police on the street. Because of the fireworks tonight, a lot of visitors from here in Las Vegas, a lot of tourists. And the street is closed for fireworks tonight, but I'm not able to be here for the fireworks. I'm gonna go home, but that's what happens